Think about a time when you had to make a decision. Maybe you had to figure out where to go to dinner with your friends. But one friend wanted pizza, the other one wanted a burger, and you wanted steak. How would you compare potential restaurants while also taking into account multiple perspectives, trade offs, and, especially, budgets? How do you make a fair decision? Imagine this same conundrum but applied to the huge environmental problem of water management. My name is Chloe Vorseth, and my research focuses on decision making for Lake Okeechobee management. As many of you may know, lake management is a hotly contested issue in South Florida. While the lake itself is an important bass fishery, it's also the cause of polluted discharges in the St. Lucie and Caloosahatchee estuaries, a source of water for agriculture, and a potential source of water for Everglades restoration. The goal of this research is to help make decisions about lake management by understanding how Florida residents and anglers view trade-offs, as well as how much residents and anglers are willing to pay to improve management. My approach is novel in that it combines multiple tools to accomplish these goals, also using online surveys. For example, one trade-off of lake management is increasing water storage for Everglades restoration. Let's say that a respondent is willing to pay $100 for Everglades restoration. It has many benefits, including providing drinking water for Florida residents, improving wildlife populations, and improving recreational fishing in Florida Bay. Now let's say that water is given a weight of 0.5 when compared to wildlife and fishing. We can multiply the weight of drinking water, 0.5, to willingness to pay, $100, resulting in willingness to pay of $50 for drinking water. In this example, a respondent would also be willing to pay $30 for wildlife improvements and $20 for fishing improvements. This method will be applied to the 4 regions impacted by lake management as shown on the map to the right. These include 1. Reducing polluted discharges from the lake to the estuaries. 2. Improving lake ecology. 3. Storing water for agriculture. And 4. Storing water for the Everglades. The aim of this research is to understand how much Florida residents and anglers are willing to pay for different management scenarios, as well as how these groups perceive the trade-offs associated with lake management in a deeper way. Trade-offs may include things like real estate values, wildlife, drinking water, fishing, and agriculture. My research zooms in on these trade-offs made by respondents and translate them into amounts or willingness to pay. In conclusion, one person should not make the sole decision about where her friends go to dinner. Decisions should involve a variety of perspectives, highlighting a variety of potential impacts. This research addresses this issue by asking residents of the region, as well as users of the ecosystem, for their preferences and budgets. With understanding of multiple perspectives and economic values, decision makers involved in lake management will have a greater, more nuanced understanding of all stakeholder preferences. And maybe, just maybe, they'll know where to take stakeholders out for dinner. Thank you.